السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests and ministers, respected teachers and distinguished FKSL members from across the nation. Today, it's a profound honor and prestige for me to stand before this constellation of stars and brilliant minds, intellectuals, and social activists. Today, I'm honored to take this podium to discuss the topic, the need for transformation for Muslims in West Bengal and how we can take advantage from the Kerala model of community development.